Is your Siemens EQ6 grinder suddenly louder than normal, or not grinding beans at all? This is usually caused by oily beans, compacted grounds, or the grinder needing a clean. Let's go step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should be grinding smoothly and quietly again. Step 1. Stir the beans gently. Open the bean container and give the beans a stir with a dry spoon. Oily or stale beans can clump together and stop the flow into the grinder. Step 2. Use the right kind of beans. Avoid shiny, dark, oily beans. They stick and gum up the grinder. Use dry, medium roast beans for smoother performance and less buildup. Step 3. Adjust the grind settings slightly. Turn the grinder one notch coarser while it's running. This reduces resistance and helps if fine particles are jamming the burrs. Step 4. Run a rinse cycle to clear residue. Go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Rinse Appliance. This flushes residual grounds out of the brew system. Step 5. If jammed, reset the machine. Unplug it for 10 minutes. While it's off, check inside the bean hopper for any visible blockages or compacted grinds. Plug it back in and test again. If the noise continues or the grinder stays stuck, it may need a deep cleaner service. We've linked Siemens support in the description below. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy that freshly ground cup